This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Both machines must be on the same network and set to a private profile. Once done, enable network discovery and file sharing in settings. This allows devices to see each other. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator so you can change sharing permissions. Next, pick the folder to share, right-click Properties, Sharing tab, then Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder and set a simple share name you'll recognize. Now you configure who can access the share and ensure Windows services support discovery. Open permissions, add everyone for read or give modify for write access, then align NTFS permissions under security. Next, open services. MSC and start function discovery resource publication, UPnP device host, and SSDP discovery. These let the PC advertise shares. To simplify testing, temporarily disable password-protected sharing so authentication isn't blocking you. If access works, re-enable it and use matching user accounts or credential manager entries. Finally, access the share from the other PC using backslashes. Type the server name or IP like //192, 168, 10 share in File Explorer. If it fails, inspect Windows Firewall inbound rules and enable file and printer sharing for private networks. Use ping to confirm network reachability and netview to list shares, getmac and ipconfig pinpoint interface issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.